Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. So face is looking rough, like rough. Skin, this is literally not even like acne, it's literally scarring. I don't know what the frick happened, but I was on birth control. If you guys don't know, I got off birth control because it was just like making me like a crazy person. So like my scarring went away basically, and then for some reason when I got off it, my scarring came back. Weird. I don't know. But I'm about to go make some breakfast. You guys can probably hear the lawn people. But I'm about to make some breakfast. As I do, I'm probably gonna eat, I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I think I'm gonna eat, I don't know.
Let rain fall, let rain fall, let rain fall, let rain fall.
Alrighty guys, so for breakfast, I know it looks not the most aesthetically pleasing, but I'm eating 2 hard-boiled egg whites. I take the yolks out. I don't like the yolks. So they're literally just 2 egg whites that I cut in half. I put a little pepper in them, and then I'm eating 2 pieces of whole grain, multi-grain pieces of toast. 2 of them because this is a little bit lighter, but this will keep me super full until like way later in the day. So that's why I eat that. And if you guys don't know, I actually use MyFitnessPal to like figure out how many calories I should be eating and like all that stuff. I do try to eat pretty healthy, but obviously I'm a human, so I slip up and I eat like Halloween cookies or whatever. But I actually have been eating very, very healthy. So this is my breakfast, and then I'm gonna drink a big thing of water. Alright guys, so I just cleaned my kitchen. After I ate my breakfast, I just like cleaned up a little bit. I mopped the floors and just kind of like cleaned up my kitchen because sometimes after I cook, it gets a little messy, so I did clean. And yeah. Okay, so after I cleaned, I just wanted to put on this mask really quick, and my skin is breaking out a little bit because I am TMI on my period, so that just kind of happens. But I'm using the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment, just like a light little coat of it, and I'm gonna use that. So I just finished. I put some cheese in there, and I know it looks kind of like burnt, but this is how I like my quesadillas. So I'm just gonna cut it into slices, and then I'm gonna eat it with some salsa, and that's what I'm eating for lunch. It doesn't look the prettiest. It's looking on a paper plate, but so freaking good. Like these carb balanced whole wheat wrap with cheese and then salsa. It's literally so good, and I drink a water with it, and it's seriously so good. So this is what I'm about to eat for lunch. You guys, so I'm about to go head out. I'm going out to this like turkey tray type thing with my mom and my grandma. We try to hang out all the time on Fridays. So I did some makeup. Gonna show you my OOTD, and we're gonna head out. My outfit of the day. I'm wearing these really cute leggings, and then I'm wearing this like cowl neck sweater and this Calvin Klein vest. My Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse. And then shoes. Shoes are Steve Madden. Scrunchie, of course.
I'm gonna shove my head in the hole. I eat the hat too.
So my boyfriend just left, and I'm actually eating this salad. The salad is from Panera, so I'm just eating some salad with some grilled chicken on it. And then they gave me 2 dressings, but I'm not gonna use that. And then I do have a piece of bread from Panera. So this is my lunch. Our salad has been my favorite. I ate it actually yesterday for lunch. So if you guys saw me on Snapchat, you guys would know, but this has been my literal fix, so. Alrighty guys, so I look rough as we know, but I'm about to go take my dog on a walk. It's super cold out, so I'm just gonna take her on a walk because I like to go out, go for a walk, get some exercise, and get her out and moving. Alrighty guys, so I wanted to show you guys my little pumpkins I DIY'd. So I bought little tiny pumpkins from just like, you know, regular pumpkins, and I painted them. This one's like a light pink, this one's a purple, and I literally hand glittered the stems, as you can see. So freaking cute. So I don't know where I'm gonna put them yet. One is gonna stay here and one's gonna go somewhere else, but I made them. I thought they were really cute, and I have another one drying outside, so I wanted to show you guys because they're super cute and I love them. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day. Okay, so I literally just woke up. I look like an egghead. It's fine, but I literally like just got out of bed. Really just having a lazy day. I honestly do a lot of like either like things like school related stuff, or I do like YouTube stuff if I'm not working, or whatever I'm doing. Honestly, just depends on the day. So I really just want to like get this vlog going. Look crazy, sound crazy, but we're gonna make some breakfast, and we've got this little pup right here. Look at her. She like doesn't want to be bothered. She's like, no mom, like please no. I always make her vlog, right? Yeah. And she's wearing her sweater because she's so cold, huh? So priorities right now, I literally need to like drink some water, because comment down below if any of you guys are like the same at all. Second I wake up, I like need water. I don't know, I just like need to drink water because I just need to. So let's just, guys, so I'm about to make some cinnamon apples. So I'm literally just gonna take these apples, I'm gonna peel them, wash them. This is cinnamon sugar. This is ground nutmeg, that is ground cinnamon, and then I have brown sugar over here that I'm going to use. And I'm going to show you guys how I make them. It's going to be super easy and super like simple, so I'm actually really excited to show you guys this. It's definitely going to be like a fall tutorial. Ooh, baby. These literally look so good. So I just tossed the apples and all the ingredients. If you guys want to see like a whole video on how to make these, definitely let me know. So I just tossed them, and I'm actually going to like saute them, and then I'm going to bake them. So I'm gonna saute them in a pan, and let's go. So I'm making lunch right now. The apples were like for like later. So I'm using one of these carb balance whole wheat little like tortillas, and I'm putting it on my tortilla. And I'm going to use this like pepper, onion, and grilled chicken mix. It's a fajita mix that I made, and I'm gonna put it right on there with some salsa and some cheese, just like a little bit, and that's gonna be my lunch. So I want to like show you guys my lunch. This is like my total lunch vibes. So good. Okay guys, so I just did a face mask. I'm about to jump in the shower, wash it off, and do whatever. There's some in my hair, on my shirt. I'm just a mess. So I'm about to go jump in the shower and, ooh, Christmas. About to go rinse this off, do my skincare routine, and yeah. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this like really oversized jacket from Charlotte Russe, and my top is actually from Walmart, if you can believe it. It's super cute, and it says, you can call me anything, just not in the morning. And then I'm wearing some leggings, and then I'm wearing some Steve Madden shoes, my Louis Vuitton bag, and then I'm wearing this really cute scrunchie. And then that's my OOTD. This scrunchie is so cute. Give you her OOTD. So where's everything from?
Pink, pink, Converse, and Old Navy.
And then your bag.
And my bag, my Louis Vuitton.
And then Fifi, you want to give her OOTD? She's wearing a sweater. Oh, she turned around. She's wearing a sweater from PetSmart. Ooh. I like this. This is exactly how I want my room.
And your room is a little bit bigger than this.
No.
So turn on. Good morning.
Okay.
You turn music on.
Oh, the toilet is in a separate area.
There's a closet in here. What? Ooh. I love the sink. So You guys, so ignore the lighting and like the loud sound. I'm actually in my grandparents' backyard, if you guys don't know. So we went house hunting and now we're at my grandparents' house. We're gonna eat some dinner. We're just hanging out. So I thought I would just like vlog for a minute and let you guys know what's going on. There's Fee, so yeah, we're gonna eat some dinner. I think we're just having pasta and salad, and I think then we're gonna go home, but we're just kind of like hanging out with my grandparents for a little bit. So alrighty guys, so this is the face wash I use in the shower. It's the Farm Table Clarifying Tea Tree Face wash. It's seriously amazing. If you guys have not used it, I love this. This is what I use in the shower to wash my face. Okay, so I actually use this as well. It's called the little Pop. It's literally called Pop, and it's this little, I'll turn it on, this little like vibrating little facial sponge, little grippy thing, and it has like bigger prongs on the back and like smaller ones on the front, and you basically take it and do circular motions on your face, and it's seriously so amazing. For serums, I basically either use the Mirth Beauty Purifying Tea Tree Face Oil, or use the Mirth Beauty Rejuvenating Rosehip Oil. They're both really, really good. I actually prefer the rosehip to the tea tree, but they're both pretty dang good. Then I've been loving this. This is the Glow Lab Facial Serum. Seriously, so good. It's really, really good, and it's just like really nice for like your tone, complexion, glow. It's amazing. This is definitely like a holy grail right now. I love it so much. Love this. This is the Ole Henriksen Nurture Me Soothing Cream. This is really, really good, and I'm actually using this right now, and I'm almost out of it, so I don't know if I'm going to repurchase it or if I'm going to get a different one, but this is really, really good. Pimples, I use the Mario Badescu Drying Lotion. I actually need a new one of these. So yeah, this is what I use if I have any pimples or anything, but I don't use it every night just because I find it actually causes me to break out more if I use it too much, so love this. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to give you guys a little OOTD for today. I'm wearing this huge oversized sweater, and I actually don't know what this is from. 21, I don't know, but it's literally huge. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's seriously, here's my waist, and the sweater is just like huge, and it's a huge like grandpa knit sweater. Things are from Lululemon, and my shoes are like little Gucci shoes, and those are from Poshmark. Then of course we have a scrunchie. I'm not obsessed because like these sweaters make me look like really furry, but I'm actually living. Alrighty guys, so I purchased some things from Poshmark, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So they're all like skincare. The first thing is the Ahava Timed Clear Purifying Mud Mask, which looks super nice. The next thing is the Nip and Fab Exfoliate Glycolic Scrub Fix. Next one is the Hey Honey I Peel Good Biomedic Honey Peel Cream. Ignore my nails, there's like glue behind them because they were kind of like lifting and I'm getting them done, so ignore that. This is the Palomito Rejuvenating Antioxidant Mask. Then I have a Vitamin C Velvet Mask, a Vitamin F Velvet Mask. I got 2 Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Masks, which I'm so excited for. I got 2 Avocado Masks. I got a Freeman Water Gel Mask, a Lip Collagen Mask, and this Marula Oil for your face.